to add a title to your WeVideo, please come up to the top, and if you hover over your text, you need the starter set. All of the other ones will require you to pay. Well, and we don't want these ones. These are stupid. So you don't want the other ones. You want the starter set. You do not want the other ones. Please. No, 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 no. Starter set. Okay. So with the starter set, for your title slide, for the beginning of your movie, you're going to use this one here. Basic text. Sample text. Pull this one down. Don't worry, we can change all that. We'll make it beautiful. Then, for the ending, we're going to bring in your basic end credits. Pull those down to the end of your movie. Now, at the beginning, now click on your text. Now we can start making some changes to this text. And if you look at your movie, and you can always watch your movie and see what's happening, your title is continuing into the next scene. You might want your title to end at the first scene, which to me makes the most sense to have your title end. So right now your title is sample text. To change those words, you double click on the orange. And you come up with this. And here you can change your title to your movie to whatever you like. So here I've decided on a title called Beautiful Nature, and I can do different things with it. I can change my font, and there's lots of them, by the way, so don't just think you have to stop here at the A's, but I want this one here. And then I can move where it is on the screen. I want it off to the side here. Notice right now it's centered. If you want it to be, well, here it's centered. It could be left justified. That's what that means, left justified, meaning it's like that, or centered. Okay, in this case I like left justified. I think it looks good. Beautiful Nature off to the left here. Looks pretty. So I've chosen my font. Here I can choose my color of my text. I actually think I want mine to stay white. I don't know, I might change that later to, I don't know, maybe a red. Oof. Dark red. I don't know, for now I like mine as white, so I'm going to keep mine as white. There's mine, there's white. And you can also change the size by coming down here and changing the size. Do keep in mind this is your screen, so it goes down to here. That looks nice. And there's other things you can do as well. So if you can play with those as well. And so right now, if I look at this, I can press play, and this is being rather slow. But you'll see that I now have this beautiful nature happening with my apple there. So same idea at the end of your movie. So here's your credits at the end. And we're going to change these to have your name there. So you're not going to be directed by name. You're going to be directed by your name. Produced by, well, we're going to do music by, and again, your name. And then you can delete all the rest. Now again, so here it is, and we can move it down. We can change the color in the font, which I strongly suggest to make it reflect what you did earlier, which for me was this animastic one. For me, this needs to be much bigger, So I'm going to make this much bigger. Yes. Much better. And don't worry, we're going to work on making that move up and down the screen later. And again, of course, you could alter the colors and stuff. I think for now I'm going to keep mine white, and I'll just see later if I want to change that. But for now, this is where you should stop. So you have now put a title to the beginning, and you have now put directed by and music by you at the end. And we will do more steps later.